sa malalim.
So I can splash you with water.
Saan ba malalim dito?
Ha?
Malalim.
Dito pa. It's warmer here actually.
Really? I'm gonna splash you. I'm gonna jump dyan.
Ano to?
Gajump ako dyan sa'yo. Layo mo naman. Ay, ayoko na, lamig.
Ring!
Lamig eh.
You have to get used to it.
Ikaw, Brad Manny, kaya mo na itong ganitong lamig.
You need to get adjusted on.
Adjusted lang.
If it falls in the water, what are you gonna do? Like,
I'm gonna pick it up.
if it sinks.
It's okay. You can go up to ano yata, ilan ba ito ngayon? 16? 45 meters. Kaya lang ang pag...
Did you be able to get it again?
Mahirap na siya mahanap.
Yeah, that's my goggles.
Ito lang gagawin sana.
Yeah. Hi there. What's up, guys?
What's up, guys?